Are you ready to transform your Ford F350 into a head-turning powerhouse? In today's video, we dive deep into the ultimate game-changer for your truck, the best tonneau covers. These sleek, stylish accessories not only enhance the look of your ride, but also provide unmatched functionality, keeping your cargo secure and protected from the elements. Say goodbye to those pesky weather worries and hello to a tidy, aerodynamic design that boosts fuel efficiency. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend adventure or just want to elevate your truck's aesthetic, we've got you covered with expert reviews and comparisons of the top tonneau covers available. Let's unlock the full potential of your F350. Stay tuned. Number 7. Gator Covers presents the Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, an exceptional choice for your 2017 to 2023 Ford F350/350/450 Super Duty with a 6 feet 10 inches bed. This premium soft roll-up cover is crafted from high-quality vinyl, ensuring durability and weather resistance, making it ideal for all conditions. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required. Simply clamp the rails in place, and you're ready to go in no time. What sets this tonneau cover apart is its 100% truck bed access. Roll it towards a cab and secure it with the storage strap for complete utilization of your bed space. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp, you can trust in its durability. Designed and made in the USA with globally sourced materials, Gator Covers provides outstanding customer support. If you're looking for the best F350 tonneau cover, the Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up is a top-notch option that blends functionality, ease of use, and reliability. Number 6. Yitamotor has truly raised the bar with their Soft Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, specifically designed for the 1999 to 2016 Ford F250, F350, and F450 Super Duty models with a 6.75-foot bed. This cover boasts a precise fit, ensuring easy compatibility and a sleek appearance on your truck. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools or drilling, allowing you to set it up in under 20 minutes. Its unique quad fold design offers more access and durability, thanks to additional crossbars and sturdy clamps that secure the cover tight against the bed. Safety and protection are paramount, with reinforced corners and reliable buckles to prevent wind or debris interference while driving. Plus, it offers all-season protection with its tear-resistant, water-resistant, and high-temperature resistant materials, making it the perfect choice for those seeking the best F350 tonneau cover. With the Yitamotor Soft Quad Fold, you can confidently tackle any weather condition while keeping your cargo safe and secure. Upgrade your truck's functionality and style today. Number 5. Whale Motor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, the perfect choice for your Ford Super Duty. Designed specifically for the 1999 to 2025 F250 and F350 with a 6.8-foot standard box. This roll-up tonneau cover promises a snug fit and exceptional functionality. Its hassle-free installation features a user-friendly clamping system, allowing for a tool-free setup that saves both time and effort. The soft roll-up design provides quick access to your truck bed, making loading and unloading items a breeze. Crafted from high-quality vinyl and aluminum, this cover offers impressive durability and weather resistance, ensuring that your cargo remains protected from the elements. Plus, its aerodynamic design helps reduce wind drag, ultimately improving fuel efficiency and saving you money at the pump. Included with the cover are 2 side rails, 6 mounting clamps, weather stripping, and a 12-month warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. If you're searching for the best F350 tonneau cover, the Whale Motor is a top contender. Number 4. DNA Motoring TTC RU005 Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is the ultimate accessory for your 1999 to 2016 F250, F350, or F450 Super Duty. This tonneau cover seamlessly combines functionality and style, making it a standout choice for the best F350 tonneau cover. Designed with a perfect fit for the 6.5-foot fleet side bed, it ensures your truck looks sleek while providing optimal protection for your cargo. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design, no drilling required. The adjustable tension guarantees a snug fit, while the durable vinyl material resists scratches and weather. Thanks to the rubber weather seals, this lightweight cover enhances your truck's aerodynamics, potentially saving you gas on the road. Plus, with Velcro edges and elastic straps, you can easily secure it when not in use, whether you're looking to keep your load safe or improve your truck style. The DNA Motoring tonneau cover delivers everything you need for a great experience in all weather conditions. Number 3. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for your 2017 to 2025 Ford F350 or F350 Super Duty with a 6.75-foot, 82-inch bed. This remarkable cover is designed with a patented dual coating and constructed from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. The robust aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps promise an easy installation process with no drilling required, supporting the cover's impressive longevity. What sets the Tiger T3 apart is its pre-assembled horizontal crossbars, allowing for full bed access when needed, perfect for hauling larger items without hassle. Plus, it includes all the necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions, making setup a breeze. For those with over-the-bed-rail bed liners, small holes might need to be cut for securing clamps, but it works seamlessly with under-the-bed-rail options. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, the Tiger T3 is the best F350 tonneau cover you'll find, combining style, functionality, and protection for your truck bed. Upgrade your ride today. Number 2. Rough Country Hard Low Profile Trifold Tonneau Bed Cover. Designed specifically for Ford F350 Super Duty models with a 6 feet 10 inches, 81.9-inch bed. This premium aluminum cover showcases a sleek, matte black finish that not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also provides top-notch protection for your cargo. Its corrosion-resistant design and full weather seal ensure long-lasting durability, while the innovative auto-latching system guarantees a tight and secure closure. The versatility of this trifold cover allows you to drive with it fully open, 2/3 open, or completely closed, catering to all your hauling needs. Installation is a breeze. Thanks to the user-friendly track and rail mounting system, no drilling required. With the added assurance of Rough Country's reliable USA customer support and a limited 5-year replacement warranty, this cover stands out as the best F350 tonneau cover on the market. Don't compromise on style or security. Get the protection your truck deserves today. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your 2017 to 2024 Ford F250 350 Super Duty with a 6 feet 10 inches bed. This top-tier tonneau cover combines durability and style. Crafted from high-quality aluminum that withstands the elements while ensuring your cargo is secure. With its innovative design, the cover automatically latches when partially or fully closed and locks seamlessly once your tailgate is shut. The stylish matte finish not only enhances your truck's aesthetic, but protects against scratches and UV damage, ensuring it looks as good as new for years to come. Plus, enjoy 100% bed access whether the cover is closed, folded, or flipped up, all without obstructing the third brake light. Enhanced perimeter seals and hardware provide an added layer of protection against the weather. If you're searching for the best F350 tonneau cover, the Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 is a perfect blend of security, functionality, and modern style, making it a must-have accessory for your Super Duty truck. In conclusion, choosing the best F350 tonneau cover can significantly enhance your truck's functionality and style. We've covered the top options available, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Remember, investing in a quality tonneau cover not only protects your cargo, but also adds value to your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Share this video with fellow truck enthusiasts to help them make an informed choice.